Hello, welcome back. In the last class, we discussed about the human activities and its classification. Today, we are going to discuss about economic activities in detail. First of all, we will go through the definition, or you can say the meaning of economic activities. Economic activities refers to all those human activities which are undertaken to earn a living and thereby satisfy human wants. The main objective of these activities is to earn income and create wealth. So, in the economic activity, what's happened? Human beings earn their livelihood, earn the money. लोग जो काम करते हैं पैसे कमाने के लिए, अपना जीवन को चलाने के लिए, उस एक्टिविटीज़ को हम इकोनॉमी एक्टिविटी कहते हैं. Like you can say, doctor attend to patient, teacher teaches to their students in a school or colleges. All are the example of economic activities. Now we will move to the characteristics of economic activities. First, we will do economic motive. The first feature is economic motive. Economic activities are undertaken to earn money and acquire wealth. The main motive behind this activity is to make an economic gain. Next, productive. Economic activities involve production, distribution, and exchange of goods and services for satisfying human wants. Next, we have economic resources. Economic activities make use of economic resources. You can say that land, labor, capital, organization, and we know these four are also known as a factors of production: land, labor, capital, organization, or entrepreneurship. Next, we are going to do rational use. Economic activities require proper allocation of scarce resources so as to obtain maximum output from them. It means that utilize your resources at the optimum level. If you have one chart paper and you have to make a circle out of that, means like diameter, radius is given, and you are preparing a circle from this. So if you are making in between, you can take out only one, but if you will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, means the proper utilization of that chart paper can be done. So we can make a maximum output from that given resources. So that means that rational utilization of resources. By that, economic will always on the growth. Economic activities determine the level of economic development of country and the standard of living of its citizen. If any country is doing well, earning well amount, so obviously the standard of living of the citizens of that country will obviously enhance. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about non-economic activities. Thank you. Stay tuned and like my channel. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.